350 million of fans operating in India. They demand 14,000 megawatts of electricity. One innovation can bring it down to 8,000 megawatts. Versa Drives, based in Coimbatore, is one of very few Indian companies that make variable frequency drives.
A super efficient BLDC motor and a digital inverter make Superfan consume lower power.
One time we were challenged to develop an inexpensive electronic drive for BLDC motor-based ceiling fans.
Superfan is made of world-class components and is built to last long.
We wanted to add some benefits. A remote, consistent air delivery, exciting colors, low harmonics. It took all of 3 years from the start. And now you have Superfan.
Superfan comes from a ISO 9001-2008 certified company.
Superfan has been designed and is manufactured in India. You will notice that the green packaging did not use plastic bags or thermocol. It's a recyclable cardboard box and with minimum printing. Superfan uses ROHS electronics. It is a green product. Superfan comes in a range of fun colors to complement and enhance the decor of your home or office. The cool feature of Superfan is remote control operation with LED indication for remote operation.
I have a Superfan and I can control the speed with the remote. Low voltage is not a problem for my Superfan. My Superfan has precise and stable speed.
The attractive features on Superfan: good air delivery, convenient remote control, no disturbance due to speed change with supply variation. Apart from the comfort, the remote saves the cost of regulator by eliminating it.
My Superfan slashes my EB bill that even helps me pay my mobile bill.
When power fails, Superfan can run twice longer with no speed drop or no extra noise on inverter. Superfan can also be operated without remote by toggling the on or off switch multiple times. Each Superfan you choose over other ceiling fans can save at least 64 units of electricity in your home, 42 kilograms of coal, 51 kilograms of carbon emission in every year of operation. This would mean a lot to our nation and our precious environment.
With its energy-saving and innovative features, Superfan has started a new era in ceiling fans.
Save energy, save money. Live happily. Superfan, India's first super efficient ceiling fan.